Right, I've got a basket of toilet rolls here, and I'm going to try and do a stay with Aston. Right, come over here, Baba. Come on. Come on. Let's practice. Let's practice. Good girl. Stand. 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 Good. Stay. Stay. You're not standing very well, are you? Hold on. Let's get you in a better position. Come here. Come here. Stand there. Stand. Stand. Good. Stand. How many do you reckon? Put a comment down below. How many do you think she'll be able to do? 2. Stay. 3. Good girl. Stay. 4. Stay. 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 4. Stay. Aston, lift your head, Baba. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. Keep moving that head. Stop it. Good girl. Stay. 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 Good. Stay. 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 Come on, lift your head. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Stay. This is a stand, stay exercise, Bubba. And you have to stand and no. Come here. You have to stand and stay. Come. Stay. I'm hoping that it will improve her stay because she doesn't have a very long stay. She loses her interest and she moves. So having this on her back might encourage her to stay a bit longer. Good. I really want her to face me. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Stay. Let's try this. Look at me. Yeah, that's going. Stay. 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 Very good. Stay. 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 Good girl. Released. Released. Good girl. That was a really good effort. That was good. That was good. Yes, it was. You've been practicing without me. Have you been practicing without me? Oh, thank you. Right. So, let's have a look at what else we've been working on. Now, one other thing I've been working on with her is to try and do a few tricks because she's never done any before. So I'm trying to get her to do a twirl. How was that going? You've been practicing that, have you? Yeah, I've got treats in my hand. It's the only way that I can get her to do this trick. So let's see. Let's move this out of the way. Come here. We need a bit more room. Hold on. Right, ready? Round. Oh, very good. Very good. Right again, round. Nice. 2. Can you do 2? Go twice. Round. Good girl. Round. Good girl. What about the other way? Can you do the other way? round. Good, round. Oh, very good girl. To be fair, I think she's been practicing this because she wasn't that good yesterday. No, you weren't that good yesterday. But we were out in the garden, so there was a lot more distractions. So I'm trying to do it inside so that there's no distractions from next door's dog or anything. So I think that was really good. I really want to try and get rid of the treats when we're doing it. So I'm doing a couple to go round a couple of times before she gets the treat. If I don't have the treat, I doubt she's going to do it. But we'll give it a go and see what happens. Right, I've got no treat now. We go round. Aston, round. Good girl, very good. Very good. Yeah, I know you did get a treat. Round, round, good, round. Oh, so good. Is it because my hands still smell? My hands still smell of treats. Aston, come. Round, round, round. Good. Sit. Oh, you're so clever. Try this one. Round, round. No, that was only one. Come on. Let's try again. Come here. She's getting bored now. Getting bored? Come here. Aston, come. Come. Good girl. Wait. Watch. Ready? Round. Come here. Round. She's not going to do it now without the treat. Do you like going this way best? Round. 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 Oh, you are just too good. You are too good. Yes. In the normal course of events, we train every week, every Sunday. Aston and I, we go to a training club and we do all the usual sit, stay, stand, weight and agility and all sorts of obedience. But because we're in this unusual situation right now, that's why I'm trying these tricks. And so I've done a stand stay with the toilet rolls. I'm now going to try and do a sit stay. I've left it a while so she's not just standing and sitting for a long time on her own. I'm going to see what she's like with a sit. And I've got one loo roll here. So we're going to see how she gets on. She's just having a break right now. We're going to see how she gets on with a sit. Just take it up a bit and see if she can do it with the one toilet roll on her head. Post in the comments if you think she's going to do it and how long she'll sit there for. Stay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Stay. No. No. Good. Stay. 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 Nice. Very nice. Very nice, Aston. Good girl. Stay. Oh, that was enough. Good girl. Very nice. Here we go. Good girl. Very nice. The other thing was trying to treat on your nose. Sit. Wait. Wait. No. When I put it on her nose, she thinks she's going to eat it. Okay. Right, come sit. Come sit. Wait. No, this goes on your nose. Yeah. No. No. Come here. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Good. Wait. 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 Go on then. Go on then. You can eat it. Eat it. Good girl. Find it. Good girl. Good girl. So that's how we're passing the time today. Just doing a bit of training and having fun. Let me know in the comments below what training you're doing with your dog. If you're doing anything inside, give me a few tips. We've got a few other things that we're working on. Yes, we have. And we might practice those a bit later. But let me know if you enjoyed the video. Love you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see our next video. Until next time, bye.